you Sahabat TV from kelas 12 MIPA 2 SMA 1 Muaro Jambi. So today I'm going to show you how to make yogurt toast. Let's get it. The things you need will be 1 piece yogurt, 3 more squeezes honey flavor, some chocolate chip, 3 slices of toast, strawberry jam, vanilla extract, and 1 egg. Bowl, spoon, oven, baking paper, and baking sugar. First, add 4 tablespoons yogurt into the bowl. Second, crack your egg. Third, add some vanilla extract. Fourth, mix until well combined. Actually, you don't have to use the honey flavor. You can use the another flavor. But if you use the another flavor, you have to add some honey. And now you have to press the middle of toast so we can add the custard dough. Now pour your custard into the toast. Now you're gonna add some chocolate chips or another sweets that you like. In the second toast, I'm gonna add some strawberry jam with chocolate chips. Now, when you got your toast into the sheet, you're gonna set your oven in 350 between 30 to 35 minutes. Ta-da! Now you have yogurt custard toast.